Hey there! If you're considering a home mobility solution, you might be wondering, should I go for a stairlift or an elevator? Let me share why stairlifts often outshine elevators. First off, stairlifts are incredibly space efficient. Unlike elevators, which need a dedicated shaft and can eat up valuable square footage, stairlifts glide neatly along your existing staircase. No major renovations required. This means less disruption to your home and a quicker installation process. Speaking of installation, it's usually much simpler and faster with stairlifts. Most models can be fitted within a day or two. Elevators, on the other hand, can take weeks or even months to install, not to mention the construction mess. Now let's talk cost. Stairlifts are generally much more affordable than home elevators. You're looking at spending a fraction of the cost, which can be a significant factor if you're on a budget. Safety is another big win for stairlifts. Modern stairlifts come with a range of safety features like seat belts, swivel seats, and obstruction sensors. They're designed to ensure a smooth and safe ride every time. And here's a little bonus. Stairlifts are easier to maintain. Routine checks and occasional servicing are generally all that's needed to keep them running smoothly. Elevators, however, require more frequent and often costlier maintenance. Finally, let's not forget the comfort and independence stairlifts provide. With easy-to-use controls and a comfortable seat, you can regain your freedom to move between floors effortlessly. So, there you have it. With space efficiency, cost savings, ease of installation, safety, and maintenance benefits, stairlifts truly outshine elevators for many homeowners. Ready to take the next step? Thanks for watching and stay safe.